Ano?
The line tangent here.
Go.
The line tangent here. If a line is perpendicular to wait lang. The tangent line here. If a line is perpendicular, its radius
To A.
the tangent line here. The tangent line theorem. If a line is perpendicular to a radius at its outer endpoint, then it is tangent to the center.
Bago. Baba mo. Third. Okay, semicircle.
Wait lang. Hanapin ko.
Semicircle. Lang tangent kasi naman sa tangent. Ay, hindi pala yung circle.
Sige.
Okay. Inscribe an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Next.
Tupin mo ulit. Kalat natin.
Go.
Go! Ato, semicircle theorem. The semicircle theorem. An angle in a semicircle. Semicircle theorem. An angle in a semicircle. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle.
Hindi pa.
Ako nila yun pa.
Ito.
Open. Line postulate. Madali. Okay. Wait lang.
Ano ulit yun? If there, anong una na?
True.
True? Ay, okay. Through any 2 points, there is exactly one line.
Yay. Okay ko na.
Pili.
Inscribe quadrilateral theorem.
Wait lang.
Inscribe quadrilateral theorem.
Inscribe?
Oo, inscribe quadrilateral.
Go.
Inscribe quadrilateral theorem. Opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary.
Next, ako na. Isosceles triangle theorem.
Wala! Hindi na natin makasabi.
If,
Wait lang. Wala. Ayan.
ano una nun?
If
the base, the base of, the base, the base,
Ano na? Go na!
the base of, the base A, the base, the base angle R, the base angle R, okay na.
Oh, sorry.
Girl, you're so bad.